purple eggs.
Rachel's going to look for my other favorite.
Calm down. Rachel, let's look for purple eggs. Do you see anything purple? Oh, there's a purple egg. Put it in your basket.
And there you go, the pink egg. Okay.
Yay! No,
That's fun.
Put it in here. Let's go look for more. Okay, Mary. Come on, let's look for more. Okay, gotta look for purple eggs.
Let's look for purple and pink. I see a purple.
Is that purple? Oh, good job.
No, put it in the pot pail. Let's find more. Where's more?
How many?
6 each.
How many are there?
6 each.
Okay, you got 3.
6 pink, 6 purple.
More? More here? Come here, Rachel.
He's doing good.
Mary's found 3.
Oh my goodness. Mary's going to town.
That's Mary, that's a purple one. That's Rachel's. But you can look back here and see if there's any pink ones.
Yeah.
I agree.
Nice job. Okay, over here.
Theirs won't be hidden quite as
Let's
deeply
look.
as Justin's.
Oh, Mary.
Uh-oh. How
Mary.
about Mary?
Mary.
Is there any over here?
Check
Is there
over
any
here.
by
Check over
here?
See pink? Good job, I don't see any either.
There's another purple.
Come on, let's look more this way.
You have 2 more, Mary. 2 more eggs. 2 more eggs. Look for the pink ones.
Nice job. I think Dennis found one.
Yay! 1 more, Mary.
More, Mary.
Go here on the side of the house. Walk along the path and see if you find one. That's babies. Yeah, we leave that one for baby.
I know. But if you put it
Walk along the path right there
there's
and see if you find one.
Hey, Rachel.
Rachel, come over this way.
Ooh.
Yeah, come over here by Uncle Dennis. Ooh. Yay! You got all 6? Yay!
Keep following the path. Keep following. Keep going. Do you see it? You got it! You got all 6, Mary.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.